Hello, everyone. We're on Friday, November 26th, a day which a lot of you might know as Black Friday, the day where most retailers around the globe offer amazing deals on their latest electronics, gadgets, or blockbuster products at amazing prices. But today is not only about buying the latest TV or gadget. Most cloud learning providers, whether it's for Microsoft Azure 365, Power Platform, or even AWS or Google Cloud, are offering amazing deals on their learning libraries, allowing you to invest in yourself this Black Friday and still save a ton of money. In this video, we're going to take a look at the most popular training providers and the amazing Black Friday deals that they're offering today. So let's get started right after the intro. Let me get started with what's probably one of my favorite training sites. I'm a bit biased, of course, because I'm an author at Pluralsight, but I also use it to learn when I pass certification exams on other topics that I am not necessarily super focused in. And for Black Friday, they're having an amazing deal, 40% off. By the way, the link to all of the deals will be in the description of the video below. So just scroll down, click on them, and you will get there. So Pluralsight, 40% off for North America. That makes it that you can get the standard library, which gives you access to over 2,500 of the most popular courses, and that includes most of the certification courses, to be honest, for only $180. Again, super low price, or the premium library, which gives you access to everything at $270. For the premium library, something else that is really, really cool is that they also give you access to certification practice exams. There's a ton of practice exams by CyberVista. Those can run to $100 each. So by having them included in the premium subscription, if you want to get certified, you can save quite a bit of money. Now, again, Black Friday at Pluralsight, 40% off. You can really save almost $200 on the premium subscription, which is amazing. Now, for our next Black Friday deal, it's Wiz Labs, a training provider that really caught my attention because of their very affordable practice tests. A lot of people really enjoyed them and talked to me about them. And for Black Friday, Wiz Labs is offering either a flat 50% off on all courses or a 30% off their premium subscription. Again, their prices are very affordable. And if we look at their training library, it's not only about Microsoft, they also have AWS stuff, Microsoft Azure stuff in there. They also have Microsoft Power Platform and Microsoft 365. But if we look at Azure, for example, at the AZ900, which I know a lot of people used to actually practice, their practice test, which has 325 unique questions, is only $16 today, which again, amazing price for the number of questions you get, especially when you compare it to other training providers that have this same test at over $100. So again, Wiz Labs, really, really great sale, 50% off on all courses or 30% off their premium subscription. Now, next up, we have Collab 365. Some of you might have been a member of this community, especially if you come from the SharePoint world for years now. But for those of you that never heard about it, amazing Microsoft 365 collaboration community. And they also run workshops with a ton of different experts from around the world. For Black Friday, they give you access to 9 Microsoft 365 workshops, which is over 35 hours of content for $269. If we take a look at some of the workshops, we have, let's go here, we have a SharePoint, Teams, and Viva, how to create a modern employee intranet using all of those tools. You also have how to build content into your Microsoft Teams communication strategy by Mark Cashman. You will also have different workshops, again, by a bunch of MVPs such as Jasper Oswald, Tracy Vanderschiff from South Africa, and many more. And the beautiful thing about, for me, for Collab 365 community, you're not only encouraging a company, but also a community. And the stuff that they have been doing for the community for years is great. And $270 for 9 workshops. If you go to a conference, you'd pay $2,000 for the same content. You wouldn't even be able to get access to that much content at a conference. So again, very, very good price. It's 80% off their list price. So make sure you check the link in the description. And I'm pretty sure one, or if not all of those workshops, will come useful to you. Okay, next up, the next one is for my developers. Uh, Voltanos, which is made by longtime Microsoft MVP Andrew Connell, they don't usually run any sales throughout the year except on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So if you want to learn about the SharePoint framework, there's a course called Mastering the SharePoint Framework, which is a huge course that's very often updated, and again, lots of content. Their Black Friday deal is you can save 35% off, which again, biggest deal you're going to get at Voitanos. If you're interested in learning about the SharePoint framework or the Microsoft 365 Certified Developer Associate exam. If so, that's the MS600 exam. They have a specific course for that only. If you want to pass that exam, I'll say honestly, the course by Voltanos is the best resource you can get. And again, 35% off, so only $180 instead of $275. And if we take a look at the Mastering the SharePoint Framework bundle, I don't know if I see how many hours are here, but you have 240 videos and over 70 sample project code downloads, so you can really get that hands-on experience. Instead of being $1,000, you actually save $350. So that brings the price down a lot. I know it might be expensive, but this is that niche training. If you're a SharePoint dev or a Teams dev and you want to master the SharePoint framework, Voitanos is your go-to. And again, they don't run many sales throughout the year, almost never, I'll be honest. So if you want to save money on SharePoint framework training or Microsoft 365 developer training, now is the time. Okay, let's move on to our next one, which is Udemy. Udemy, probably the leading marketplace for training, not only about IT, but about anything in the world, from how to make money on streaming games to how to organize your life, and of course, a bunch of content on IT as well. You have a ton of courses starting from just $9.99. Now I know whenever I see a sale from Just, you're like, okay, they maybe have 2 or 3 courses at $9.99, but the rest of them are super expensive. But that's not the case. Before I actually wanted to look like, hey, is there any content at $9.99? So I searched for the AZ900, which again, one of the most popular exams, and you have courses such as this one by Scott Duffy. You can see it's a great course when it has, let me zoom in here, 43,000 reviews, and it's a 4.5 star, only $9.99. Most courses Like you see when I scroll down, most courses, the top popular ones are $9.99. They have a ton of different courses on, again, plenty of content from IT to everything else you might need in your life, to budgeting, to finance, to starting your own business. So lots of sales, lots of opportunity to save money. Go check it out. The link is in the description below. This one ends tonight. I suspect they're gonna have a Cyber Monday deal as well. I have no idea, but make sure you check it as soon as possible. The last one I'm going to talk about in this video, trying to keep the video short, under 10 minutes here, or a bit over if I look at the time right now, is if you like to study with books. Apress, one of the biggest publishers for IT books in the world, is running an amazing deal on their Springer Link shop, which is where you buy uh, Apress books directly from the publisher, and you can get almost all of the Apress books at an amazing price. Let me take this book, for example, Microsoft 365 Compliance by Erica. I heard it's an amazing book. I know a lot of contacts in my LinkedIn and Facebook have got this book and said it's amazing. But all of their ebooks are $6.99 USD. But the best deal, in my opinion, you can get the soft cover book at $9.99. So again, you get a book. I think this one is about 400 something pages. Let me see. About this book here, we probably showed the pages at the bottom. Where is it at? There we go. 524 pages about a very niche but super, super important subject such as Microsoft 365 compliance at only $9.99 delivered to you. And it includes free shipping as well. So in that $9.99, you get a printed book shipped to you for free, which is amazing. And again, this deal is on most of their IT books. So, for example, Mastering Microsoft Teams as well, which I heard is a great book. Same thing, soft cover book at $9.99. Amazing deal. Okay, this is it for this video on the top learning providers. We have looked at Pluralsight with their 40% off sale, Wiz Labs with their 50% flat sale, Collab 365 workshop package, 87% off, Voltanos, best Microsoft 365 developer training with 35% off, Udemy with a ton of courses at only $10, and Apress, which offers soft cover books over 500 pages long, shipped to you for only $10. So again, use this Black Friday to take some of the money you would spend on a gadget, invest it in yourself, and try to set yourself a goal to get certified either by the end of 2021 or by this time next year. Go get a certification, learn a new topic, and become more effective at your job. This is it for this quick video. I really hope you enjoyed and I was able to share some great resources to you. If you have enjoyed it, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. This way you get notified when there's more interesting content like this. Thank you very much for watching.